What's up, YouTube? We're gonna run a errand to Best Buy to pick up an external mic for the so we can hear the exhaust audio a little bit better in the videos. Rode makes an external mic called an LAV, and seems to be the best on the market right now. So I'm about to go pick that up there, and you can see in the back we got new headlights for the C6. So I'm gonna make a video installing those too, and can't wait to see the new look. Okay, got the car in the garage. We're gonna place these headlights with these new ones right here. So basically gotta take out the bulbs and the ballast out of each of these and replace it on the back of those. But this is an absolute pain in the ass to do. Supposedly you don't have to take off the front bumper and the fender. You can just loosen them all up and then reach underneath. There's like 3 bolts underneath to get this out and then put these in. Several hours later, we are done. I'll link these headlights down below. Let me know what you think. Oh, that's not on. All right, guys. Here's what the headlights look like during the day. The DRL's on. I like the stock look, but those other ones were just sunburned so bad. But these look so much better, and they're super bright at night. I still need to adjust them. And then the lights are also sequential. Pretty cool. All right. Thanks for watching.